Today we're looking at part number SHK175WDBI. This is your single axle hanger kit for double I springs. Comes boxed, ready to go. So we got the two front hangers. We have the two rear hangers. Note the rear hangers are going to be skinnier than the front hangers. We have the 6 3-inch long by 9/16 inch diameter spring bolts. We have the 6 9/16 lock nuts, and we have the 4 shackle straps. So this is going to be your single axle hanger kit that for your single axle trailers with double I springs. So these shackle straps are 2.62 long, center to center, and I'll show you how long they are overall. So overall, they're going to be 3 7/8 on the shackles. You got your 9/16 lock nuts. Your 9/16 by 3-inch long bolt, or the overall is 3 3/8. You have your 2 front weld-on hangers, which they are 1 1/4 inch tall from the center bolt hole to the top of the hanger, or the overall is 2 inches by 3 inches long. And then you got your rear hangers. Okay, same thing, 3 inches by 2 inches tall. So the reason why these rear hangers are skinnier than the front hangers is because these attach to them, and then your spring goes on there like that. We have this question all the time. They say, my springs won't fit in the rear hangers. Y'all sent me the wrong ones. No, you just have to attach them like this. So if you attach them properly, it'll work great. You can get these at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.